Hi there, students. Half-baked. Half-baked, an adjective. Half-bakedly, maybe. I would probably say in a half-baked way as an adverb. Okay, if you describe a plan or a scheme or an idea as half-baked, you're saying that the person hasn't thought this out, they haven't thought it through, they haven't planned properly, and it's stupid, it's impractical, because there's something that's going to go wrong that they haven't actually thought about. So the government is trying to introduce another half-baked scheme to reduce unemployment. Okay, so half-baked, it's an idea that hasn't been properly worked out, it hasn't been considered. Yeah. They're trying to they are introducing a half-baked scheme to get students to study more. Yeah, I'm fed up of their half-baked plans. Yeah, they're not carefully considered. They're not carefully thought out. Yeah, they are ill-conceived. Yeah, they don't have common sense. They lack good judgment. Yeah, his half-baked plans just drive me crazy. He's got some half-baked plan that he's going to make a fortune out of selling sand in the desert. Okay, so half-baked, an incomplete scheme, not fully planned, not well considered, ill conceived, badly thought out, foolish, not having a lot of common sense. I'm tired of his half-baked ideas at saving work, because normally they're more work than the original thing was. Yeah, this idea is half-baked. Yeah, we would be crazy to go forward with it. Yeah, a half-baked scheme for getting rich. Yeah. Let's see, literally this can mean half-baked, not completely cooked. So, I don't know, when the cake is half-baked, sprinkle chocolate on top of it, for example. So the baking process has only gone halfway, and that's the idea of it. It's only half-cooked, it's not done properly. So, half-baked, asinine, brainless, cockeyed, half-witted, insane, nonsensical, preposterous, yeah, simple-minded, weak-minded, really rather crazy. So the opposite of half-baked is judicious, thought out, sound, wise, something like that. Okay, so half-baked. It's best to have things properly thought out, because if you go off half-baked, notice the go off. If you go off, you start to do something half-baked. If you go off half-baked, then you're going to get into problems. Okay, as to formality, I think I'm going to give this a 3.5 in formality. Use it informally. A semi-formal conversation, maybe. Certainly, I don't think it's very good for a semi-formal or formal writing. It's something really on the informal side. Yeah, I'm tired of his half-baked ideas. And then it's half-baked, half-cooked. To bake comes from Proto-Germanic bakana, to bake, which comes from Proto-Indo-European beg, to bake or to roast. So I hope this wasn't a half-baked video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Half-baked.